Hi everyone. Okay, so you might be wondering, why are there information at the top? Why is the camera slightly worse than before? And what is even happening? So I'm actually streaming right now on Twitch. I wanted to kill two birds with one stone, and I'm gonna be building my keyboard and on stream at the same time. So yeah, if you wanna follow my Twitch, you can go ahead and do that. That would be really fun. And yeah, let's get started with this video. So we have this setup. This is the desk. This is my face, hello. And yeah, we're gonna be building a keyboard. That should be fun. So this is the first thing that we have. This is the GMMK Pro. So I got the white variant, so it is the ice white. It's an ultra premium 75% layout, gasket mounted modular, mechanical gaming keyboard. Excellent. Ooh, this is ascended. I am ascending. Cool. Okay, glorious stickers. Amazing. Is this what YouTubers do? Like, why do I do this? Do not eat. Great snack. Actually, do not eat it. Oh, it's heavy. This is so heavy. YouTuber moment. I know, right? So this is what the back looks like. That's really, really cool. And this is what the front looks like. It seems like it's like assembled and everything. USB-C cable. Nice. I'm gonna be able to like connect that. Microfiber cloth. Oh wait, no. Extra gasket strips. Okay, there we go. These screws. Extra screws. I have no idea. Is this like the keyboard thing? No, it's not. I have no idea what any of these are. This is fun. Okay, I have no idea how to set this up. But okay. Oh, so this is like the nice switch. This already feels like a lot more substantial and nicer than this mechanical keyboard. Fun fact, this mechanical keyboard is not even mine. No, I did not steal it. It's actually a friend who lent it to me like around last year.
Beans.
Beans?
Beans.
Beans?
Beans.
What?
You need to give her the beans.
I don't know what you're talking about. They're very noisy. They're blue switches, so you can just imagine how noisy they are by typing. Okay, so next we are going to have the glorious Panda switches. Here we are. I actually had to buy 3. Do you realize how expensive these are? One each is like 50 Canadian. Yeah, I thought I could get away with just buying 2, but I had to buy 3, so I had to pay so much money. I'm also sorry if there's like no background music. I have no idea like how this is. If you're watching this on YouTube, there will be background music, so shh, don't tell Twitch chat. They definitely cannot hear anything that I'm saying right now. Ooh, okay, so these are the switches. These are pre-lubed, so I don't need to worry about lubing it. So, okay, let's just do like an ASMR. My desk is a mess. Wow, these are nice. Can we just like really appreciate like how these sound? Oh, this sounds a lot nicer and a lot quieter. Oh, I really appreciate that. Oh, I like that. They're so good, right? Oh, it's so nice. Wow. I have no idea what I'm doing. I might have to like research. I think this should be the orientation. They should look something like this, right? Okay, so I think I need to like plop them in. I think I'll start doing that.
Hello?
Oh my god, hello, tomato.
Oh my god, hello. How's it going?
Oh my god, it is going. I am trying to assemble this keyboard.
How far have you gotten?
I literally only unboxed the case and the switches, and that's literally
Okay.
it. That's literally it. Oh my god, okay.
You're doing great, JuSong.
Thank you. Thank you for your company. Amazing.
Yes.
We love to see it.
I just wanted to say hello live on stream.
Oh, that's really nice of you. Thank you so much. All right.
Yes, I see you've made great progress. Keep it up.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Is everything okay? I think everything is okay. I just noticed some of the pins being unfolded. You literally cannot see it. Who can see it? Can you see it from here? I have no idea. This is not working. I'm embarrassed. Anyways, I will continue on and assembling this. Oh, wait, why did it pop off? Are they not being inserted properly? Hello? I'm so confused. Let me figure this out. Wait, I'm just scared that I'm like, what if I'm like breaking this keyboard? But I think it should be fine.
Things were in fact not fine. And not just that, he's got a big storm coming.
Man, I cannot get over how nice they sound. It's like a lot quieter than the other blue switches that I have. My goodness, it is literally night and day. I think I just need to do this a little bit faster because I'm getting way too... What? What is going on? Am I doing something wrong? Will the keyboard community annihilate me for what I'm doing wrong? I genuinely do not understand what is going on and why some keys are like flying out like that. I'm scared. I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm actually I keep hearing things popping off, and it's not me doing good at games, but it's like literally the keyboard just, you know? Okay, I think we're doing okay. I hope that I'm not really ruining my switches by like bending them, because I don't know what was supposed to happen. But I do notice that some switches were like being bent, so I'm just like, oh, what if I'm like damaging it? These are like pretty expensive, not gonna lie. Okay, I hope that all of you are excited for this moment, because the next step for this are the keycaps. So these keycaps are Geekark Bow PBT keycaps. So these ones are like the standard like white piece. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, cool. Why is this so hard to take out? Oh, I had this thing. I feel so dumb. I guess this was out of my control. Can you see the control? No, you can't. It looks nice, I like it. And I'm very much looking forward to assembling it. And there's this really cute accented keycaps, and I decided to choose the green ones and the blue ones so that they're going to match. I'm very excited to see how it looks. I think I'm gonna do the accented keys like later on, but for now I want to do the main body of my keyboard. Why I say that's so weird. Let's start assembling. Okay, cool. I don't know how strongly. Oh, guys, I have a feeling I did not put those switches properly. I guess I put the switches wrong, because these are really put and I didn't do those properly. No. These are like well put, and they were supposed to be like this like really strong clicking sound. I didn't do that for like any of this. This is why they were like falling apart. Oh no. No wonder it wasn't working. I am crying right now.
He was in fact crying. Just on the inside, not on the outside.
There we go. Oh my. This makes way more sense. Oh, I hope that professional people are watching this. This is so embarrassing. I'm so embarrassed.
He was in fact embarrassed.
No. Oh no. Oh no. I hope that this is not jeopardizing my keyboard. This is so sad. Because I was like, oh, why are these switches like flying all around? Yeah, this makes way more sense now. This makes way more sense. All right, cool. This is the assembled keyboard. Nice. This is what it looks like. This looks really nice. It's like silver, and I love the colors. I'm gonna connect it to a USB. Ooh, wait, this is nice. Oh my goodness.